Again for Q216.
CSX Q216-23 30 feet 4 clear. St. Denis East 2. CSX Q216-23 31st 54. Entering Regni's Work Authority East number 2.
I'm letting him go out yet. Get something to snack. I know he was coming up clear. And I got one more behind him. Yeah, a few trains coming. Alright, I think I said this the last video. I don't remember if I did. Plan to be here by 12, 1 o'clock, give or take.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 6.7. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 216. End of transmission.
Alright, see you guys on the next one.